Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some more ways to make money with YouTube without having to make your own videos. Now, I just did a video about how to make videos with FlexClip, which is a video editor, video maker, and although there's a lot of good features here, the stock photos and the stock videos are very limited. So if you're really interested in really going all out on YouTube and making an income from their ad revenue and promoting affiliate products and things like that, and having access to thousands of video clips and stock video and royalty-free music and things like that, then I suggest that you take a training course that will help you do all this, and it will go into a lot of detail. Now, there's a lot of people out there on YouTube who are posting videos how you can make, $3,000 a month without making videos. And basically what that involves is using the Creative Commons videos that are out there. They go over the very basic aspects of it, but they don't go into any details, and that's where a lot of people are going to run into problems, because if you're new to making videos, it can be very extensive and it can be very time consuming. And so those videos, in my opinion, are just videos so they can promote other things. And yes, I am promoting YouTubeSecrets.com, but it's a training program. And basically, you can make money from using their stock photos and all of their tools that you're getting with the training that you take. Choose from millions of done-for-you videos and make them yours. They're Creative Commons, and everything is in one place. And you can also use the music and all the tools that they provide to you. So I'm just going to run through this really quickly and just give you some of the highlights of it. And then if you're interested, the link is down in the video of this description. And you can go out to the same website and you can look through it more and decide for yourself whether or not this is something for you. Let's see, there were some other things that... Okay, so this is what you get for the training and to join the site, because it is a membership site. Okay, so how to access between 5 and 25 million YouTube videos for free. This is Creative Commons. They're not just all YouTube videos. They're from videos from all over the place, but they're copyright free, so you won't have to worry about getting a strike or anything like that on your account. And then how to make money with those videos. Okay, and how to set up your AdSense account, all that. Clever ways to repurpose these videos for your own use. How you can save a lot of hours. Like I said, if you're new to this, it can be really, really time consuming and very frustrating in the beginning. So this will help you with your learning curve. It will give you all the tools that you need. And again, I'm not going to run through everything, but this gives you an idea of what you get when you join the site and when you sign up for the training. Okay, so you get a 7-day free trial that'll give you an idea of, kind of be able to test drive it a little bit, get an idea of what they're offering, and then if you want to continue, then you can continue. If you don't want to continue, then you can end it and move on to something else. But this does get very good ratings, and I'm actually going to try this myself, especially with the 7-day trial. And let's see, let's go down here. Okay, so even if you do decide to go beyond the 7-day trial, you still get a 60-day money back guarantee. So you can use it for 60 days and decide whether or not you want to keep it. So that's a pretty good guarantee. Most of them are 30-day. And then again, you know, it's up to you what you want to do. It has a video up here. You can click on that.
Imagine receiving a regular monthly payment straight into your bank account from YouTube. And imagine if you can enjoy those monthly paydays spending...
Okay, it has a frequently asked questions section. Okay, so it's basically a complete step-by-step money-making blueprint to make massive income from YouTube without even shooting a video, because you're using videos that were already made. And the amount of money that you can make really depends on how well you do with your videos and how well you set them up and all the keyword research and everything that goes into it, your thumbnails and things like that. And again, you'll need just 30 minutes. You know, in the beginning, it might take you more time. But as you become more experienced with it, you'll be able to knock out videos within 30 minutes or less. Okay, so YouTube pays you for ad revenue that you generate on your videos. They pay once a month around the 21st. You do have to have a Google AdSense account. But one of the other things too, if you already have an established channel and you're already making money from it, this is not a big deal. But if you do have a new channel, then you're going to have at least 4,000 hours of viewing time, and I believe 1,000 subscribers before you could even consider, before you can even apply for Google AdSense and monetize your videos. But I do want to encourage you and let you know that if you make some really good videos that are really popular, then within a couple of months you should be able to be monetized. But again, that depends on how dedicated you are to this, how much time and effort you spend on this, and how well your videos go over. Okay? So it could take more than a couple of months. So if you're new to this, this isn't going to be something that you're going to be immediately able to make money from. Okay, so I do want to let you know about that. That's one of the things that the other videos that people are making about making videos without making videos aren't really telling you. They're not telling you some of the caveats about the YouTube changes and monetization changes that they came up with. So you can go through this and read it at your leisure. Like I said, I will leave a link down in the description of this video. And one thing to keep in mind is, even if you're thinking about this, you're kicking around, it is doable. And remember that everybody that's on YouTube started with 0 subscribers and no monetization. Okay, so it is possible to get subscribers, and it's very, very possible to get those viral videos that just go crazy. And the more you market them, the more social media attention they get, the more closer you're going to get to being able to monetize in a timely fashion. So once again, it's called YouTubeSecrets.com, and it gets very good reviews. And once I join and I start playing around with it, I'll probably be making some more videos about it and give you some more information. But don't wait for me. If you want to join, the link is down in the description of this video. So have fun with it, and remember, it's a 7-day trial and a 60-day money-back guarantee after your 7-day trial is up. And even after that, I believe it's $39. Let's see what it says. Okay. Okay, monthly payment of $27, so that's even cheaper than what I thought it was. So that's really not bad, since they're giving you so much to work with. So that's actually a pretty good deal. So Anyways, the link is in the description. Good luck. If you have any questions, let me know. And once you join, they do have their own support, so you can ask questions through support. And if you have any problems or any issues or anything like that. So good luck, and thanks for watching, and take care.